Hi, I'm Jeff Grace. Hope you enjoy this video today on 12 Glenburn Avenue. It's a gorgeous home with a very large lot. So once you enter this gorgeous home, you're going to notice the open concept living room and dining room. As well, there's a large family room facing the backyard. The family room used to be the third bedroom on the main floor, but it's been beautifully opened up with an opening as well as with a French glass door leading into the kitchen. Upstairs you have two spacious bedrooms. In the lower level, you have a very large rec room and a family room area, and what could easily be a fourth bedroom. Again, the walls have been removed on the fourth bedroom, so it's all open concept downstairs. When you look in the backyard, you're going to see tons of space for your family and friends. This lot is 53 feet wide by 110 feet deep. It also features a very nice private drive as well as a detached garage. We hope you can join us this weekend at our open houses at 12 Glenburn Avenue. If you want more information about this property, don't hesitate to give us a call, and you can always visit our website at gracehomes.com. Thank you.